So good morning students. Today I am going to discuss on the lesson reflection and refraction of light. Today's session is a continuation of the previous session and I hope that you have learned some important terms which are related to physics. So today let me say regarding reflection and refraction. Once again I repeat, reflection means the bouncing back of light after it strikes an opaque object. In case of reflection, only one medium is required. After striking an opaque object, it comes back to the same medium. That is all about reflection. And refraction means passing of light from one medium to another medium. Once again I repeat, reflection means passing of light from one medium to another medium. While light passes from one medium to another medium, instead of following the same straight line, it bends. That means it deviates. The light deviates and it seems, and that deviation is known as refraction of light. So today first let me make you understand about the types of mirrors. There are mainly three types of mirrors: plane mirror, spherical mirror. In spherical mirror there are two types: concave mirror and convex mirror. So in plane mirror, generally we use plane mirror in our homes. All the mirrors which we generally use at home is a plane mirror. In a plane mirror, there are some properties which we need to know. In a plane mirror, the object size and the image size is equal. Object size is equal to image size. U is equal to V. U means the distance of object from the mirror to the distance of the image from the mirror is always equal. Lateral inversion. It shows lateral inversion. Lateral means when we look in a plane mirror, the left hand seems to be the right hand in the image. That is called lateral inversion. Lateral inversion. Again, in a plane mirror, the image is erect and it is virtual. Virtual means it cannot be screened on a screen. That means the image cannot be produced on a screen. That is a virtual image. So from here, once again I repeat, properties of a plane mirror. The object size will be equal to the image size. The distance of the object from the mirror and the distance of the image from the mirror is always equal. It shows lateral inversion. It shows the property of lateral inversion. That means the left side appears to be the right side in the image. The image which we get to see in a plane mirror is erect and virtual. Virtual means the image cannot be produced on a screen. That is a virtual image. So I hope you got a good idea of what a plane mirror is. So with this, I wrap up today's